Hi, I'm Rich Brown for CNET. Today we're going to look at the Chamberlain MyQ Garage Door Opener. So this is a $130 smart home product, and its basic function is pretty simple. You connect it to your garage door opener, and then through an app on your iPhone or Android device, you can use it to remotely control the garage door from pretty much wherever you are. It also lets you see the status of the garage door, and it can send you notifications. So if it's open when you don't want it to be, your phone will tell you, and you can close it pretty quickly with the app. So you mount a Wi-Fi hub for the MyQ here on the ceiling, and the idea is that it flashes a signal to your existing garage door opener, and then that tells the garage door to open and close. There's a sensor on the door that helps detect whether the garage door is open or shut, and that sends a signal to the Wi-Fi hub, which then tells your phone, hey, your garage door is open, your garage door is shut. It gives it kind of that status update. Now you do need to plug it into a power outlet, so you have to have one nearby. You probably will if you already have a electronic garage door opener. It's also designed to work with pretty much any garage door opener on the market. Chamberlain says it works with about 90% of existing models. Anyone from about 1986 on, I think is the date they say, is pretty much going to work. You do need to be comfortable, though, popping off the top of the garage door opener and finding the program button inside that will send the signal to the MyQ opener to have it programmed for the right sensor setting to open and close the door. So installation is pretty simple. There's a bracket here that you have to screw into your ceiling. It comes with a couple of drywall anchors if you need those. Here I just went right up into the wood since there's no drywall. And then the hub itself slides right on. As for the sensor on the front of the door, you can use screws, but it also comes with some adhesive strips, and that's what I used here. Now, in order to control MyQ from your phone, you do need a Wi-Fi signal out to your garage. Now, I do have a pretty weak Wi-Fi signal coming out here, but it still works. There's only one bar. It shows up on the app, but it's good enough. I've had no problems with connectivity. Now, there are a few other smart garage door openers out there, and some you have to wire directly to your existing opener. That's not really ideal for obvious reasons. The wireless solution is a lot more convenient. It also will tell you through a series of beeps and light flashes when you've closed the door. You have about a 30-second delay once you press the close button in the MyQ app and from when the door itself actually shuts. So the MyQ garage door opener is a pretty simple product, and that's sort of nice. It kind of does what it says it's going to do. You don't really have to worry about much else with it. So what's nice about the MyQ is that it's kind of evidence that the smart home ecosystem isn't going to be this series of walled-off little gardens. It's a part of the Nest developer program, so it can work with your Nest thermostat and other devices in that ecosystem. It was named as one of the first partners for Apple's HomeKit program, which is going to link various devices into iOS. And just this past week, they also announced support for the new Wink Hub, which is part of Quirky's smart home spin-off designed exclusively to make smart home products. So it works pretty well, it's relatively affordable, and MyQ is poised to work with all kinds of other smart home devices if you want to go down that road. That makes it kind of an easy recommendation. So I'm Rich Brown, this is the Chamberlain MyQ Garage Door Opener.